So I actually ordered so many things over the past few days that I don't know what I just got. If I know correctly, it's jingling, so I think it's my Chat Noir cosplay. I ordered that on Tuesday and I only got it yesterday, so like that was, what, 3 days? That's great. So I'm excited. I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna show you guys. It is my Chat Noir cosplay. I'm confused though because it says men's cat cosplay. I hope this fits because I'm not shaped the same way. So, I mean, I looked at the measuring chart and I followed all the instructions and I just hope it really fits. It was packaged well. It's packaged in this and it was in like 2 bags. It was like technically wrapped 3 times. And let's see how this goes. Okay, so it looks like I have everything here. I get an extra coupon. I got this from Miccostumes.com. Right there, except for that part, that's specifically for Yang's cosplay. So they do accept returns if everything is not to your liking within 14 days. So I better check this out first and see if I need to return it. I'm actually doing a Femme Chat Noir cosplay version, so I'm going to alter it a little bit anyway. Not that much actually, I just have to see how it fits and then I can alter it that way if I need to. If it's that horrible, then I will return it. So here is the mask. I'm actually probably just going to paint it on my face, but yeah, here are the ears, the clips. It's a little weird, but it's okay. I'm just going to be staring at my head really closely. So yeah, 2 ears, a mask. The bell is already attached to the zipper. I don't know how I feel about this bell. Like the stars, that's not supposed to be there. So it looks like a Christmas bell. But it's the exact same size. I don't mind the like texture of it, like looking at it. And the color, like all of that's perfect. It's just that stars. Why are you there? And whatever that is, what is that? There's nothing a little paint can't fix. These, okay, I bet these are the ones for your legs, for your ankles. It goes around your ankles. And these go around your wrist. They're made out of a leather kind of thing. It's really thin. And it's kind of velvety. But it's not velvet, it's like plasticky smooth. Here's the belt. The problem with this kind of fabric is that it will crease. Make sure to not get it moist and then fold it, because I had a Rin Kagami's costume come in the mail and it was slightly moist inside the bag and like the leather was falling apart because it was moist and folded, but there's nothing wrong with this one. Alright, here's the bodysuit. Okay, so before I show you how it fits, I'm actually going to show you the details here. Fake pocket. I wish that was real, honestly, because then it's hard to carry stuff when you're in a con. And I don't feel like carrying a bag while I'm Chat Noir. So the gloves are attached. It doesn't look like they're oddly shaped gloves though. They actually look like they can fit a hand. So that's good. Some details. Zipper comes down to the waist, it looks like. Let's see. Yep, these are footsies. So there's no hole at the bottom. You're gonna slip it on like a sock, like tights, like stocking tights. It's literally a giant onesie. Kind of looks creepy on my bed. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on now. Okay, so that was a workout. I am probably going to be sweating. This is not a summer cosplay, just to let you know. Oh, my flashlight's on. So my wrists are really tiny, apparently. Actually, I always knew that, but like, I might have to change that. Gloves. The fingers are not that bad. They fit perfectly. I just don't know how, like, I don't like how it's square at the top. Like, my fingers aren't shaped that way. Chat Noir kind of has like a little bit of a claw, so I'm probably gonna have something. I might like wear, I don't wear fake nails, but for this cosplay I might. It kind of depends what my lineup is. I don't have a pointy finger like this. I don't have like an oogie boogie hand. But it's not bad. It fits perfect. Like this hand's actually not as bad as the other side. Some flaws, you know, it's not that bad. I just have to put the other stuff on. Yeah. So this is actually really stretchy pleather, so it's not like a pleather. Pleather would be like, it wouldn't stretch. This is stretchy. Also doesn't breathe. I'm sweating. Okay, so plus side to this cosplay, I am able to use touchscreen with these gloves. Like, not with like this extra fabric over here, but like if I actually use my finger through the gloves, I can still use my phone, which is great. So this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna take that out just yet, just in case if I needed to return it or something. It is noisy. Gloves, seriously, I'm probably gonna be fixing that. I'm gonna do something with that. I was actually worried with the waist. It only came in like small, medium, large, extra large, all of that stuff. And I'm not proportionate that way. So I was worried that this was actually gonna be too small. It's not. I actually have to probably take in my waist. Every time I'm squishing this part, hot air is coming out of the back of my neck where the collar is because it's so hot. This doesn't breathe. But it looks great. I'm going to make boots, so I don't even need to worry about this. I'm gonna make boots that come all the way up here to the middle of my thigh, and it's gonna flare out here. I hope I can find nice leather, well not leather, but like fake leather that I can use for this. Besides, everything looks great. I love it. I just need to alter a few things, but like I knew that already because I'm not proportionate. The tail's really, really long. It's super long. Like, look at that. Look at that. There it comes. Probably gonna make that shorter. I'm not that tall. I'm gonna be tripping people. But yeah. Femme Chat Noir. I'm excited for the con. Okay, time to do some altering. See you guys later.